What's up, guys? My name is Bright. On this particular episode, I want to talk about my journey as a software developer, how I started, and why I dived into web development. It all started 2017, 2018. Watch the video till the end. I believe you will learn something that will encourage you in this journey. My business collapsed. I deal on car parts. When my business collapsed, it was like the whole world has collapsed on top of me. I was down. So my friend, Faustina, Faustina, God bless you. God bless you. Okay. Faustina would call me, Faustina would advise me. In fact, Faustina is my advisor. We talk on daily basis. Sometimes midnight she will call me. She will say, let's pray. What are you doing? Take your laptop and start learning. Currently, she's doing her master's. Then I said, okay, what can I do? I start Googling HTML, CSS. I start going to YouTube. I don't do any other thing apart from learning. You won't see me doing watching movie. You always see me. I learn on YouTube on daily basis. So and things was down. I was broke. I got a contract. That's the faithfulness of God. 2019, I got a contract, a movie subscription website. Ask me, can you build it? I can't because it was something else. Then I started building the project. I didn't take any money, not even advance, because I was scared of not able to deliver. I won't allow money to damage my reputation. No, because money can destroy your future if you're not careful. So I didn't take money from him because what if I wasn't able to do it? Moreover, if I couldn't do it, I only promised him what I wasn't able to do, but I didn't take his money. And the man was a very good man, Mr. Nat, director of Jazim Films Production, Ghana. So I built something with HTML and CSS. It wasn't responsive. Then I met this person online who said he's going to help me. I asked him, how much will you take? He said he will not take money. I said, okay. So he did small thing and showed me. I said, wonderful. He asked me to pay him. I said, wow. But he told me you will not take money. He said he didn't say that. I said, okay, no problem. It's money. I will never have issue with people concerning money. That's my principle. Then when he said he didn't say that, I told him, okay, the man has not given me money because I wasn't confident of building it. So I decided not to take money from the man. He said, no, I have to give him money. I said, okay. He said, if I will not give him money, that he will not do it again, that I have taken the money, do it. Then I took the money, I couldn't deliver. Then he dropped the project. I start asking questions. A friend also online, start Googling, don't be tired of asking questions. Sometimes people will answer you. Sometimes they will discourage you. Sometimes they will be like, you ask too much questions. Don't worry. Then the guy was like, I should use Bootstrap. One guy I met online. And then I started Googling on how to use Bootstrap. I used Bootstrap. I was able to do it. He told me it wasn't nice. You're not already a beginner who doesn't know anything. I showed the man the design. He said it's okay. I said, seriously? Then I said, okay, I have to implement the back end. I started learning PHP. I learned crude operation, insert data, update data, and delete data. The man teaching on YouTube says something very significant, and I believe it's important. You watching, you have to also know. He said the most important thing in tech industry is if and else statement. That means if it's not this, it must be this. He said if you master it very well, you can manipulate your way out. Then, and it stick to my mind. It sticks to my mind till date. I said, okay, when I was able to do it, I have to integrate payment gateway using mobile money. I couldn't see any tutorial that taught on mobile money integration, but I was able to see Paystack, and I was also able to understand the integration, the workflow very well. This pushed me to move to their company, physical location here in Ghana. I visited them. The guy I met was like, he can't do it for me, that he's not familiar with it. I said, okay, as long as I have seen they are honest, and Paystack is very honest company. I'm not promoting them. They didn't sponsor this video. This video was sponsored by BJ1 Batteries and Tech. BJ1 Batteries and Tech is a battery website, battery shop, online battery shop in Ghana, located at Tansuma Wesley Grammar bus stop. Any type of battery you can think of, believe me, they are having it. So go nowhere, come to BJ1 Battery and Tech. They deliver all over Ghana. Thank you so much and remain blessed. So when the whole issue happened, I was able to do it, integrate the payment gateway, is monthly subscription. Then I showed it to the man, to cut the long story short, and he was impressed. Then he paid me, we post the application. Look, guys watching me, don't do project because you have a contract. That's one thing I learned. I build projects on daily basis, not because I have a contract, but because building application helps you to know. I push to my GitHub, I build logistic websites, I build e-commerce application, I build a tracking site. You see, the more I build, the more I know. I build chat application, and these things help me to know. I don't know if it has happened to you that you want to learn a new programming language, you notice you open it and you look at the folder structure, it's like you are going crazy. You can't do it. But the more you continue doing what you are doing on the programming language you are familiar with, you notice in the nearest future, you can go back and visit that particular programming language. You notice that now you can do it because now you are familiar with what you are doing. So any other programming language becomes a little bit easy for you to navigate. And that is how it is. Don't ever give up. In my next episode, I'm going to talk about how I got my first job, remote job in Canada. Character is important. Subscribe to my channel if you want to know how I got my first job in Canada. You will love it. Thank you so much as you subscribe to my channel by encouraging me to do more. I have posted some few videos. If there is anything you don't understand, feel free to leave a comment. I am Bright. One love, guys.